Okay, so we are going to do maths today. Okay, so we are going to start with the exponents and power. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll just connect my note. Okay, so first of all, we'll just understand what do you understand by the exponents. Okay, I hope you are aware of it. What do you understand by exponents?
Like, ma'am, the pass.
Yes. So see, exponents are basically exponents and powers are basically, for example, I have to write this, right? So instead of writing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, I can make it like this. Like, okay, for example,
100,
it's 18. Okay, let's just take an example. It's 18. 18 zeros over there. So I just wrote it like this. Okay, in the simplest form. Is it
Yes, ma'am.
clear? So instead of writing the numbers like exponents means basically you are going to precise it. Right? See, this is easy, na? Writing this is easy. Instead of writing 18 zeros, it's difficult. Right? So that means it is easy. So making the things in simpler form is known as exponents. So large quantities, okay, they are always represented by exponents. Why? Because you cannot represent large quantities. So in order to represent large quantity, we use these exponents. Okay, clear? Now this, see, this is basically, for example, this is 10 raised to the power, sorry, 10 raised to the power 18, right? So basically this number is your base and this number is your exponent. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing, the base is the number that has been multiplied. This number has been multiplied 18 times. The exponent is the number of times is being getting multiplied. So how you will say it? You won't be saying 10, 18. You will be saying 10 raised to the power 18. This is how you're going to pronounce it. Right? 10 raised to the power 18. Clear? So this is all about. And then there are some negative exponents as well. Okay, we'll just discuss it. But first of all, we'll do few questions. Okay. So this is, this is base. This is the exponent. Okay. So how we pronounce it? 10 raised to the power this. Now some negative exponent as well. Right. So ma'am, what are negative exponents? So this is very important. See, it is, for example, you got 10 raised to the power 2. Right. So 10 raised to the power basically, ma'am, how we are going to write it like this? So it is basically 10 is being multiplied 2 times. Clear?
Yes.
But it is, if it is 10 raised to the power 1, that is means it is 10 is being multiplied only 1 time.
1.
Right? Right. And for example, this is very important. If it is 10 to the power 0, then the answer is always 1. Okay. This, remember one thing. It's not only about 10. It's about, for example, I gave you 2 raised to the
Yes,
power
yes,
0.
I
The
know.
answer,
I've written this in my arithmetic notebook.
yes. But now the question is, for example, I gave you 10 raised to the power minus 1. Right? And how you're going to do this? So it is nothing. You are just going to put it like
Minus 10
this.
multiplied by 1. Once.
No. You are, see, if it is minus 10 over here, that means you are going to put it down like 1 divided by 10. Okay. Earlier we were, minus means that you have to keep things under, like in division form. Right?
Okay.
So it is like this, that it is 10 raised to the power 2. So that is 1 upon 10 divided by 10. Okay, this is 1 upon, like this, 1 upon 100. Just just forget it. For example, it is 10 raised to the power minus 1. So it is 1 upon 10. Okay. Then if it is 10 mass to the power minus 2, then it is 1 upon
2. Okay.
100. Right? Because 2
Okay.
0 will be counted. Right? If it is 10 raised to the power minus 3, then 1 upon 3 zeros. Like this. Getting
Okay.
my
Okay.
point? It
Understood.
is nothing. See, if it is written like this, minus, does that mean it is like this? That's it.
Okay,
Nothing.
understood.
Minus means that you have to keep it in division form. because this is minus. So for example, if you will either you can write it like this 10 raised to the minus 3, or you can write it like this 1 upon 10 raised to the power 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? So just put a heading exponents in power chapter, and then write exponents, hashtag exponents. Okay, and then write large quantities are represented using exponents.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, Swar? You don't have to write everything. You have to just write this. Large quantities are represented by using exponents.
Ma'am, I've written it down.
Okay. Then you will write this. You can just write the example 10 raised to the power 18. So this is exponent, this is base, and this is how it you are going to pronounce it. Okay.
Okay.
You need to write this. Just write. Or you can write it because sometimes they can ask you what do you understand by base. So base is that number which is being multiplied. That you will multiply. Okay. And exponent is number of times the base is getting multiplied. And this is how you are going to pronounce it or how you are going to read it.
Yes, I've written it down.
Okay. Okay. You can see this example. Swar. Wait. This example one.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the value of. Quickly do it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can do. Ma'am, I don't know how to do the second one.
Okay. Don't worry. Just do the first one. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you did it? I hope you did it like this only. 1/8.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see. This is nothing. See over here. What I told you. Whenever it is written like 3 minus 2. Raised to the power minus 2. This means 1/3, 2. Right? Clear? So over here it is already. So this means 1/3/2. Like this. Yes. Now you are going to shift this person. Right? So how you are going to do it? 1 multiply by. This will go up. 3 raised to the power and divided by 1. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am. Just one sec. Actually, my laptop is running out of battery. I have to find.
Okay. Swar, you are done? Swar, you are not audible.
Yes, ma'am. Now, am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible now. Okay. So this is going to be very important, so just listen to it very carefully, okay? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this one is very simple, right? You just have to put it 1 divided by this and simply. But here it is already in 1 division form. So this means 1 divided 3 minus 2. So this means 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 2, right? Now we have two division things over here. So of course you will shift them upward, right? So they are in division. So what you are going to do, 1 multiply by this one. First, this person will be going up. This digit will be going up. So it is 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 1, like this. Clear? So when you will solve it, like it is going to be 3 raised to the power 2, right? Because 1 and 1. So your answer will be 9.
Okay.
Clear? So quickly do this and then I'll just give you 2 more questions.
I've written, ma'am, I've done it.
Okay. Now you are going to do this. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to do this?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't do the last one. I could not do the last one.
Okay, it's very easy. You should try it.
Ma'am, I tried it, but
No?
it just didn't make sense.
Okay, okay, wait. We'll just do it. Okay. So the first one, I hope that was very simple. You got the answer 1 upon 9?
Yes, 9. 1 upon 9.
Yes. And second one?
Minus 1 upon minus 16.
Huh? Why minus 1?
Ma'am, because it has. Oh yeah, minus plus.
No, minus 4 and minus 4.
Yes,
It will
minus
be
plus.
16, na? And now the third one. See, it's very simple. See, you don't have to do anything. It's like 1 upon 2. And the powers are minus 5. Right? So this means this is 1 upon 1, 5. Right? And this is 1 upon 2, 5. Is it?
Yes.
Right. So what you are going to do now, you are going to shift them. So it is like 1 upon 5 multiply by 2 upon 5. Sorry. Oh, so sorry. Wait. 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5. So it is like 2, 5 and 1, 5.
Why dividing them, ma'am?
No, you are going to multiply them now. Then 2 multiply 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 1 is your 2 upon 5, and 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 raised to the power 5 is your 1 raised to the power 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So if you will solve it, you will get 32 and divided by 1. So your answer will be 32.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I've written it.
Okay. Here. So now we are going to do the law of exponents. There are few laws which you have to remember. Okay. Right. So see, if
Oh,
it is as this one we have already discussed, if it is a raised to the power
yes,
minus 1, then you already did this. This is known
yes,
as
ma'am.
multiplicative inverse law. Second is
Okay.
productive law. So see, when your bases are same and your powers are different, right? So what you are going to do? You are going to use this formula
Add the
that
powers.
yes. And this is quotient law, which is like your bases. Sorry, this is in division. You have different bases, but your powers are same. Then you're going to subtract it. Okay. Then power of
You
product
have
law for
different bases. Wait, I didn't understand.
you have different bases. That means it is like 2, 3.
Yeah, like I have different bases. Then what should I do?
If you have different bases, right? Then you are going to do it like so sorry. I think they have written it wrong. It's going to be n here because that's a different formula where you are going to use if you have bases. See this one. Just check over here. Wait a minute. Negative. See this one. If your basis, this one actually they have written it. If you have different bases, then you are going to keep it like this, and you are going to keep it like this. Okay, if you have different bases, but that was different, like over there it was a misprint, right? It is going to be an. You have same basis at that moment. If you have same basis, then you're going to subtract it, right? And this one, and power of question, power of law, this, clear? So instead of writing it like this, just write it in a simple form like this. These are the laws. Okay, you have 5 laws. Or you can add one more law which you have already discussed. If it is a raised to the power minus m, then it is 1 a raised to the power m.
Yes, ma'am, wrote it down.
Okay, so now we'll just do a few questions. Here, the first one, example 2. You can see.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, which property you are going to use?
Ma'am, if the bases are same, then the exponents should be added.
Yes, do it quickly.
Ma'am, is that minus 5 or 5?
It's only 5
Okay, ma'am.
and it's minus 10.
Yes, ma'am. Minus plus minus 10 is equal to minus 4 raised to the power minus 5. Yes, ma'am. The answer is minus 4 raised to the power minus 5.
Okay, second one.
Okay, yeah, second one. Ma'am, then the next one is 2. The first one is 4, 4 minus 4 multiplied by minus 4.
Hmm.
Minus 4.
Okay, the first one is 4 raised to the power minus 5.
60. Wait, minus 60, 64. Then wait. 60, 64, 64, 96. Minus 264. Ma'am, what is minus 4 raised to the power 5?
So
Minus
that, yeah, minus 4 raised to the power minus 5.
minus 5.
So you don't have to consider this. You have to only look at this. So it will be 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 5.
Okay.
You don't have to consider the minus sign for the base one. You just have to worry about the exponent one.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so you can see it is minus 5. So you are not going to write it like this. Minus 4 raised to the power minus 5. You are going to write it as 1 upon minus 4 raised to the power 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and second one?
Ma'am, 2
Okay. 2.
raised to the I mean, yeah, 2 multiplied by 1. 1.
Swar.
2
They are
multiplied
in
by.
division.
Oh, I have to minus then 5 minus 6 minus 1. 2 raised to the power minus 1. That will be 1 upon 2.
No,
1
it
upon.
is 5 and minus 6 were.
Yes, ma'am. So it will be minus
So,
1 only.
no. Swar, it is 5 minus minus 6.
Oh, okay. So it will be 11.
5 plus 6. Yeah. Because it's minus 6 now. So you are going to subtract it. So of course it's minus 6. So you are going to 5 minus and in bracket minus 6. So you got 2
Okay,
raised
ma'am.
to the power
Then 2
11.
multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2.
Yeah, 2 raised to the power 11. Just you don't have to write exact answer. You just have to write it 2 raised to the power 11. That's it.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
I hope you are solving it like this only. Inside you have to write the property as well. Right? Because you know
Oh,
your
okay, ma'am.
examiner is
I'm not
illiterate.
writing.
So you don't know. You have to. Because your examiner is illiterate. So how would he get to know that which property you use? Right? So you have to mention the property as well.
Yes, ma'am. Wrote it down.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay. So you can see your exercise question number 2. Here you have to use a property and you let me know which property you are using.
Yes, ma'am.
In case you are not getting anything, you'll just leave the space for that particular thing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so like when the bases are different and the exponents are same, what are we supposed to do?
Check the property, you have written it. No. When bases are
Different and the exponents are same, what are we supposed to do?
when bases are different and exponents are same, right?
Yes.
Okay, see, this is the when bases are different and exponents are same.
Ma'am, but we have to multiply them, not divide.
Bases are different, exponents are same.
So A, B, M. Okay, we have to multiply the thing.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to drink water?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir, you can go.
I've written it down.
Okay. So you'll just take the answers. The first one you got it.
Ma'am, what?
Let's just take the answers.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
first one.
Ma'am, just one sec. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the answer? Uh, yes, ma'am. I got the correct answer.
Okay. Second one. Second one was simple.
Yes, ma'am. I got the correct answer. 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 6.
Yes. Third.
Third. What was the no. Ma'am, minus 1 raised to the power 4. Minus 5 raised to the power 4.
Minus one.
I got minus 5 raised to the power 4.
How come?
Ma'am, because minus 1 multiplied by 5 is minus 5.
Hmm. But so how come it be a minus 5 square?
Ma'am, because you have to multiply the bases, right? So
Yes.
minus 3 multiplied by 5 upon 3 is equal. So minus 3 and 3 will be cut, minus 1 and that will be 1. Then
Hmm.
minus 1 multiplied by 5, minus 5.
See, if you are going, see, you got the answer like this. Okay, this one you are talking about. Okay, so let's just solve it step by step. This was a question, right? This was a
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
You have to check one more thing. You are from your point of view, it's right, but I'll just let you where you are doing the wrong thing. See, minus
Oh,
three
it's whole
multiply.
square.
Yes.
Array, I didn't see that.
Yeah. So if you will multiply it 4 times, and of course the minus will be disappear, like the magic.
Yes, ma'am.
So you'll get only 5 raised to the power 4. Clear?
Ma'am, but why did we subtract the? But we are adding, right? So why did we subtract the bases by the exponents from 3?
Because you have the same basis now, or you have different bases, right? And
No,
here,
no,
see,
ma'am, from 3
hmm,
minus 4, 4 minus 4.
it is 3, 4 minus
Yes,
4. So how you will write it?
ma'am, but why minus 4?
This is minus 4 now because, see, if you will multiply it, it is going to be minus 3. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. But
But here
I didn't
you can see
understand.
you have different bases, but you have same powers.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you are going to apply the property. You have different bases and same powers. So you will solve it like this. You'll get this, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And then you are going to solve it. If it is 3, 4 minus 4, it is 3 0. So it is 1, as already
Okay,
discussed. And 5 raised to the power 4, which is the answer is 5 raised to the power 4. Do the correction if you are wrong.
yes, ma'am. Just one second. Yes, ma'am, I've written it down. Written it.
Okay. Now, next one, third one, fourth one, third one. You got the same answer?
Ma'am, just one sec. Then, ma'am, then fifth one, right?
Fourth one, fourth.
Oh yeah, fifth one.
No,
So
fourth one.
where? Oh yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, is the answer 1/3 raised to the power 2?
Yes. Good. Now, fifth one.
Ma'am, for the fourth one, is the answer
Yeah,
1
it is.
upon?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's correct. Now,
Ma'am, then
fifth one.
fifth one. Ma'am, 1 upon minus 14 upon 3. Raised to the power 3, sorry.
Yes. Good.